Hello and welcome to the introduction for this web scraping for beginners course. There are a few things that would be helpful if you already have some basic understanding of. You need to have a basic understanding of HTML, basic understanding of CSS. You also need to have basic understanding of Python and a basic understanding of using the command line or the terminal. That means you should be comfortable issuing commands via the command line or the terminal. You should also be comfortable using a text editor. Who should take the course? The course is an absolute introductory beginners course, so it will be suitable for beginners to web scraping, for data analysts, for data scientists, for database administrators, for internet researchers, if you're researching on the internet, for entrepreneurs, you want to access data for competitor analysis, for anyone who wants to learn something new. What will you learn on this web scraping introductory course? Well, you'll learn how to install and activate a virtual environment. We're going to be working in a Python virtual environment. You also learn how to update Python and pip. You learn some basic HTML. This will be a basic crash course on HTML. You may already know some of these things, so feel free to skip the basic HTML section of the course. You also learn how to inspect basic elements. You learn about the tools for web scraping. We'll be using two tools in this course, which is the BeautifulSoup package and also the Scrapy package. So those are the two tools we'll use for web scraping in this course. You'll learn how to install BeautifulSoup. You'll learn how to build a web scraping script with Python. You'll learn how to prototype the web scraping script in Python interactive shell. We're going to learn how to scrape data inside the Python interactive shell. You'll learn how to test the script and also how to save the output of the saved data to a file. You learn how to install Scrapy, which is the second tool we're going to be using for web scraping. We'll learn how to create a Scrapy project. Also learn how to create a spider to scrape data from a website. You learn how to scrape data from a Scrapy interactive shell. You also learn how to run a spider so that it scrapes data from a website, and then we can save the scraped data to a file. The format of the course is video based, duration approximately 3 hours. Thanks for watching and bye for now.